There's one thing about the casino business that you can always count on: the need to adapt to a changing environment, and that's especially true today. As an industry, we're dealing with changing regulations, technology advancements in digital currency, competition from new modes of gaming, and the need to appeal to guests who are increasingly looking for a complete entertainment destination. And to continue to grow and thrive in this ever-changing environment, casinos need to give every single guest the very best experience, an experience they can't get anywhere else, every single time. But having great employees isn't enough. You need to start by giving them the very best training so they know how to plan and execute consistently to give guests the best experiences. And for the very best online training, you can count on one partner, Vector Solutions. Vector's learning management system for casino was created exclusively for casinos by casino experts who uniquely understand your business. We have a full slate of online solutions designed to help casinos operate safely, efficiently, and effectively, so you can streamline compliance, protect against financial crimes, and reduce overall liability. It's no wonder Vector's LMS for Casino is the undisputed leader, with more than 200,000 casino employees counting on this powerful tool to give them the very best training. All casino e-learning video-based training courses are delivered with our cutting-edge learning management system on a single platform that allows you to give your employees access to online training 24/7. Train across departments, track classroom and online training, report real-time training status, check mandatory compliance, comply with federal requirements, provide safety preparedness, and workforce scheduling, all with multilingual options. So in this ever-changing business environment, count on Vector's LMS for casinos for the training your employees need to make every single guest experience the very best it can be. Vector Solutions for Casinos. Count on us.